profit. Made a living and a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office. With Monica Lewinsky filling on his nutsack. I'm an MC, still as honest, but as rude and as indecent as all hell. Syllables, killaholic.
Kill 'em all.
This flippity, gibbity, hibbity, hip hop. You don't really want to get into a piss and match with this rappity rat pack and a mac in the back of the yak backpack, rap, rap, yap, 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 kitty, yak, nap. The exact same time I attempt these lyrical acrobat stunts while I'm practicing that, I'll still be able to break a motherfucking table over the.
You want some candy? I watch the news, Dad.
See like this is like a little plaza over here? You drive around there, maybe they got a pizza place over there.
Pizza.
A what?
Pizza place or something.
You want pizza?
I don't care. I just don't want to eat burgers.
If we're gonna do pizza or something like that, you just want to go back to our hotel and just order it?
Yeah, I might as well just...
I know, because we've been doing burgers a lot lately too.
Yeah. We only did pizza like
Twice. Oh crap. Welcome to Kangaroo Express and say call to remove him left.
North Carolina nigga.
Yellow, where we going now? She's like, oh, can I reach here? And I'm gonna reach here.
It's coming at you with supersonic speed.
JJ style.
Summer, lama, doom, lama, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is shaking off of me and it'll glue to you and devastating. More than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off to be celebrating. Cause I know the way to get it motivated. I make elevating music. You make
Look how creepy that is. Yellow. Ragabelly. I'm really cute about this. This is like a little house.
Your beds are so low.
Look how stupid, dude. This was gross. How you supposed to like?
This is the place. Ow!
It's a place you don't want to mess with. Freaking glasses. Jesus Christ.
What do you need?
There's still enough glasses.
Where? What the hell?
I don't know. Found glasses.
These are pretty. Someone left their sunglasses. Can I have them?
No, you get headlights.
That's gross.
Steve Madden. It's
Don't touch them. Too late. Oh, you have STDs. Kind of like. Alright. Shit out.
What happened?
Just
So like,
go luck. Says.
what's that? Oh.
Some towel.
Does that mean we have to stop somewhere anymore for you to have your coffee?
I take that piece off though.
This place looks kind of like a.
Focus. Dude, this is actually kind of cool, but gross. Okay, that's.
Don't do that.
Yeah, you don't. Just put it. What the heck is on TV? How you turn on these lights? What? What?
The bug on the wall. Is it a roach?
I thought there's a toad on the wall. I'm like, I don't know that was one of those. That's how you do pull-ups.
Where'd it go?
I got a pee.
Anything? I'm just kidding. Oh, what is? It's dirty. I'm just gonna try to figure out anything else.
Burn things in the.
Gross. Why would someone leave their glasses here? Freaking.
Watch this place have bed bugs too.
I know. Man, no, you can't just seal them. You know why? I'm not sleeping on a bed.
feel like sitting on the
I feel like just fixing my bed bugs. Motherfucker. Yep, I'm done. Found toilet paper.
Oh, where'd you find that?
On the bed. Wow. Yum.
You dare ask for another room, or you just fucking take it like that and ditch it like you're supposed to?
Okay.
Check my lottery.
You didn't even watch me.
Is that a bug? What is that?
What? Wait.
Right here. Stop moving the
Hey.
fucking thing. I don't know what that is. Unless it's just a crumb of something.
Place is disrespect.
Come here and start fucking looking underneath beds and shit.
What do you think I'm doing?
Don't do any of that.
Okay, that's good. Well, there's a block right there.
Oh my god. You got internet here?
Persistent fever, bruising,
I don't know. Hey, unless we have a TV.
infection like the flu. Joint pain and damage.
Keep your stupid things. I don't want to sit on that. What's in here?
AP1, AP2,
Open.
3A,
Open sesame.
4, some fish gas.
Copy,
Yo,
microwave.
figure out what you want to do for food.
Oh, there's a lever.
I don't have any cash on me. Their machine's fucking broke, so hopefully someone takes a credit card or we could pay online or however that goes.
Okay, I have to make. Oh, good idea. Oh,
Says 2 stars, 4.
so what? Any height?
This room?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ew, it smells of poop.
Can you let me in if I'll close this? Oh, can you? I think I locked it. Okay, it's unlocked.
Unlock.
Pretty sure I unlocked it.
Little picture has an
I
unlock
did.
button. There it goes. That's really it.
Confusion.
I'm changing.
Alright.
Unless like.
Oh, I just have to pee.
No, dude, I don't like how anyone is disrespectful. I'm gonna sit on bed bugs. What's up, old man? I'm mine.
What are you guys thinking? Chinese or pizza?
Pizza.
Chinese.
I don't know how
One
good
place.
pizza. I don't know how good the Chinese are. You don't know that.
It's a Royal Panda. We got a Royal Panda back home.
You do? No, you don't.
Yeah, we do. It's right on Beach. I'm sorry, State Street.
Did we even eat it before?
Yeah, we don't.
Yeah, exactly. Never ate.
They only give you 2 towels, so we have to share them.
This is gay.
So,
Get wet, boy. Get wet, boy. Thanks for watching in this vlog number 10. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work